We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to view and print your supply status, and I'm working with an Okidata MC363. So if you want to view your supply status, go ahead and hit status, and then down here it says system status or device information. Click device information. And then you're going to go all the way down to supply status, hit OK, and then you have all your supply status and device information like your drum unit, your belt, your fuser, and all your toners, what life they have remaining. If you want to print this information, you're going to want to hit your settings, and then hit reports, it's the first one, configuration, and then it says configuration, would you like to print? Go ahead and hit yes. Then it will print your printer information as well as your toner information. It is on the very last page printed out. I have an example with it highlighted down here. This will be about the 5th or 6th page. And then it'll tell you the percentage that you have remaining of your toners, your drums, and everything as well. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.